So now we are going to learn how to make strawberry mousse. I have the cream diplomat, which by itself is a pastry cream and a whipping cream combination, and that is the strawberry compote we have made. Now I'm going to add the strawberry compote into the cream diplomat and fold it. You want to keep both of them cold and right out of the fridge. Strawberry compote should be out of the fridge pre-made, and this cream diplomat could be made just a while before, or if it is made like say 30 minutes, an hour before, then it has to be refrigerated and taken out cold to be used for folding and making the mousse. Now I'm just going to add the cold strawberry compote. And then keep folding. Don't beat or overmix. Gently fold until you have the strawberry compote completely combined with the cream diplomat, and then you have a really beautiful mousse, but it has chunks of strawberries. If you want your mousse to be really very smooth, then you would be processing the strawberry compote in the food processor and have it really very smooth without the chunks, and that you will be using to mix it to make the mousse. So now this is some beautiful strawberry mousse with the fresh strawberry chunks in it, and now this will be stored in the refrigerator if we have to use it for later. But make the mousse when you are right ready to put on your desserts, because this is something that you don't want to keep it in the fridge as a pre-prep to be used on a later point of time. So this will be made right before we want to use it on the dessert. So now that's how you make the strawberry mousse.